Hey, it's Akshay here. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can leverage UnoLink and tags to help you segregate all the resources into several topics that you are interested in. And also, if you're gathering resources to a particular project, then this is actually the perfect video for you to get started. So all you have to do is just like click on these options and click on copy link to view. Just copy the links to this particular database and go to a place where you save all your resources based on the topics. Uh, so I use para, so I have resources table here, right? So I save all my resources and these are the topics that I'm interested in. Let's say I want to, I'm going to be showing you how to do this for no code. So just go to that particular topics page and then just paste the link that you just copied, create link database. So what this does is that this creates a link to this database, that original database, literally. So whenever you update the original database, this database is also going to be updated. That is like the core feature of this. So for this particular topic, I'm going to be adding a filter to filter out no code articles. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I have all the articles related to no code in one place, and which is where I'm supposed to find all my resources, right? And whenever you save something new related to no code, let's say from Twitter, then it just like pops up right here instantly. So yeah. So similarly, you can save links and you can link databases to different topics that you're interested in as well. I'm going to be showing you a project that I'm working on as well and how I have created a link database here. I mean, it's pretty much the same, right? And so I have a link database related to this DAO's newsletter that I'm planning to write. I'm not sure how that's going to go, but yeah. So whenever I find something interesting, so I'm just like browsing internet on my phone, and then I find some interesting article that I think it's going to help me in while writing this article, right? So then all I have to do is to just like save it using UnoLink and use the right tags so that it comes and it gets saved in the right places. So I just saved another time, same tweet. but yeah, so you can save anything from your phone to here, of course, in the future from the browser as well. So if you want to save something and read later as well, you can just have a tag called must read, and whenever you save something with this particular tag, of course it's just gonna come here, and you can like keep checking here. You can like have a habit to come back here to read these things that are saved in must read. So yeah, like this is how I segregate my resources into various topics. I mean, I recently figured this out as well, and I built this for myself. And I think it's gonna be really useful for you if you do it properly. And you just have to like link once and sort the columns once. But yeah, it's gonna be there for a long time for sure. And yeah, like if you figure out a new ways to use this tags feature using some other method, yeah, please let me know. I'm gonna tell others as well. And yeah, happy saving and happy, I don't know, being organized. Thank you.